In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to use Meta AI on your Facebook account. To simply get started, all you have to do is to head to your Facebook account, and then once you open Facebook, you want to head to the search icon area. As you guys can see at the search icon area, even without clicking on the search, we have Meta AI icon over there. So this is one way to actually go about this. But then another way to go about this is to simply click on the search, and then you want to type in Meta AI. Now once you type in Meta AI, you want to click on the first one, which is Meta AI. Now you want to click on the accounts Meta AI, and then you want to click on message. And now once you click on message, as you guys can see, you can head on to ask whatever question you want from Meta AI. So yeah guys, that is actually how to contact Meta AI or how to get Meta AI on your Facebook account. And now you can use Meta AI to achieve whatever you want. You can as well use it to generate any type of images you want to use for anything at all. So as you guys can see, this is just a real example. Imagine a car race on Mars, and whatever thing you want to ask Meta AI, feel free to ask it and it will give you the answer in just few seconds. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a whole lot from today's video already, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, drop a like on the video, and also share it with your friends and family members. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.